In today's video, we're going over the recently announced Coinbase Pro, how it compares to Coinbase, and when it will be live. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Eric of Immersive Tech TV, and today we're talking about Coinbase Pro, which was recently announced here, as you could see, a couple days ago. Coinbase Pro is basically a cryptocurrency exchange now built on top of Coinbase. And if you're familiar with GDAX, the GDAX cryptocurrency exchange, GDAX is actually becoming Coinbase Pro. I did do a review on GDAX before. If you haven't seen that video, that is a cryptocurrency exchange that is now becoming Coinbase Pro. So as you can see a few days ago here, Coinbase did announce the launch of Coinbase Pro. It's an evolution of GDAX, specifically designed for individual crypto traders. So again guys, Coinbase Pro is an exchange for individual crypto traders, not for institutions. So like I said before, the GDAX cryptocurrency exchange is actually becoming Coinbase Pro. So if you're already an existing GDAX customer, you'll be able to go to pro.coinbase.com and you'll notice a couple new features. So if you already have a GDAX account or a Coinbase account, then you technically already have a Coinbase Pro account. But basically they want you to know that all transactions and balances from GDAX will automatically appear in Coinbase Pro, a completely redesigned platform that will make the trading experience easier and more intuitive. It will have simplified deposit and withdrawal processes. Also, it will have improved charts that will allow customers to easily scroll and access historical data. And they will also have a new consolidated portfolio called My Wallets that lets customers easily see an overview of their account orders and balances. So as you can see guys here, the preview shows it's going to look very similar to GDAX. And again, it says like GDAX, Coinbase Pro customers will still have direct market access to Coinbase markets, and they will share the same single pool of liquidity. Likewise, when customers log into Coinbase Pro, they will also see all of their existing GDAX balances and trade history and enjoy the same trading fees, APIs, and security features that the current GDAX platform provides. So in terms of the launch, Coinbase Pro is already active and live, and it does say that GDAX and Coinbase Pro will operate side by side until June 29th, 2018, with the activity mirrored on both platforms. So both GDAX and Coinbase Pro will be the exact same, function the exact same until June 29th. After June 29th though, all customers will be seamlessly rolled over to Coinbase Pro, and I'm assuming GDAX will no longer exist because it's becoming Coinbase Pro. So now that we've gone over the news article on Coinbase Pro, let's actually take a quick look at the actual Coinbase Pro exchange itself. If you go to the old GDAX exchange, gdax.com, you'll notice on the top there is a little banner that says Try Coinbase Pro. It'll take you right there. So if you click on that, it'll take you right to the website. You can also go to this website directly, pro.coinbase.com. So again, it's just an extension of the Coinbase exchange. So as you can see, it shows here, this is the homepage for Coinbase Pro. It says the most trusted platform for trading cryptocurrency. Coinbase Pro offers individuals the ability to trade a variety of digital assets on a secure insurance-backed platform. And again, guys, those current cryptocurrencies you can trade on Coinbase Pro, much like GDAX, are Bitcoin, Bcash, Litecoin, and Ethereum, with hopefully more to come in the future. So before I click on Get Started here, I just want to show you down on the homepage here of Coinbase Pro. It has a little scrolling ticker of all the current prices of the cryptocurrencies that they offer there. And it also shows you a little more information here, such as insurance protection. All digital assets held in online storage are fully insured. For instance, all USD balances are covered by FDIC insurance up to a maximum of $250,000 per customer. And as you can see, Coinbase Pro, much like GDAX, also offers those 0% maker fees. When you place limit orders to buy or sell a cryptocurrency, you will pay a 0% commission. So it's also very nice that they're keeping that 0% commission trading that GDAX currently offers. And beneath that, you'll see they also have some facts here about Coinbase Pro. If you have any questions, you can click on any of these drop-down boxes here to answer more questions. But you could say start trading on Coinbase Pro today. Let's click on Get Started here. And it now opens up pro.coinbase.com, the actual exchange. This is actually my first time opening up Coinbase Pro. And alright, I will say it looks very similar to GDAX. In fact, it's pretty much an exact mirror image of the GDAX cryptocurrency exchange. As you can see, this is the Coinbase Pro exchange interface. Now I'm going to click back over to the old GDAX exchange. This is GDAX. This is Coinbase Pro. So as you can see, again, back to GDAX and back to Coinbase Pro, they're very similar. They offer all the same functionality from what I'm seeing. But I will say, I think the Coinbase Pro interface actually looks a little cleaner. The colors look a little brighter and it's a little easier to read all the different numbers and charts. So I think that's definitely an improvement on the interface on their end. But again, all the same features here. You can access trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bcash. So that's pretty cool. Again, it has all the same order functionality such as market orders, limit orders, and stop orders to both buy and sell. And all the same charts, trade history, order books, price charts. Everything I see is the same as GDAX. So like they said on the Coinbase Pro website, you do have a top order section here where it says My Orders. You can click there to see all your past orders, and also My Wallets. You can click there to see all your current wallets on GDAX, because GDAX can also act as a cryptocurrency wallet to temporarily hold and store your cryptocurrency. But I wouldn't recommend storing your cryptocurrency long-term on any cryptocurrency exchange, guys. Always store long-term on a hardware wallet if you can, or at least a secure mobile wallet. But I will say its functionality is very similar to GDAX, so it's definitely looking like it's going to be an easy transition for those who have already used GDAX. Now, if you guys have already a Coinbase account, you also technically do have a Coinbase Pro account as well. And if you have some cryptocurrency in Coinbase and you want to trade it on GDAX commission-free, you can actually transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro at no charge. If you want to do that, I'll briefly show you guys. You want to click on My Wallets, and you want to click down here on Deposit. Click on Deposit down here. And you can choose to deposit funds, select your currency. So you can choose if you want to deposit US dollars from Coinbase or from your bank account. You could do that as well. See a wire transfer, an ACH bank account transfer, or from your Coinbase USD wallet. And it says again, Coinbase USD wallet transfers are fast and free. Likewise, you could also transfer into cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, and you could deposit cryptocurrency from an external hardware wallet or mobile wallet using the deposit address right here. Or you can also deposit in and transfer it in from your Coinbase account. So if you already have some Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency in your Coinbase account, you can actually click here, choose the amount you want to deposit, and deposit BTC. And again, it says Coinbase BTC wallet transfers are fast and free. So that's really cool, guys, because again, Coinbase Pro, when you do limit orders, they are commission free to both buy and sell. Whereas on Coinbase, again, it is anywhere from 1% to 4% commission per trade to buy and sell. So definitely take advantage of the zero commission trading fees if you already have some cryptocurrency in Coinbase. But if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to actually trade on the Coinbase Pro Exchange, I will be making a video on that coming up pretty soon. If you have any specific questions, guys, on how to trade on Coinbase Pro, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments. I will be sure to cover those questions in the upcoming Coinbase Pro tutorial video on my channel here. But that's pretty much all the main points you need to know on Coinbase Pro. It's newly launched, and like I said, it is already live. If you have an account on GDAX or Coinbase, definitely check it out. Pretty soon, GDAX will disappear and Coinbase Pro will take it over entirely. So again, if you guys would like to learn more, be sure to check out my Coinbase Pro tutorial. When it is live, I will link up the video right over here to the right in a card. And also, if you want to see any of my other cryptocurrency exchange and app reviews, feel free to check out my playlist of those right over here to the right as well. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next episode.